Good morning. So, as I am telling about this improving our lung power and improve our immunity, some tips every day I am going to give. Okay, tapping therapy and other therapy I already told, and yesterday also I have given some instruction about using the ring and other things, silicone cupping. Today I am going to give a small demonstration, that is massaging, natural massaging. Okay, just you do like this while you are walking or sitting or watching any TV or doing any projects or attending any meeting. Just you press your fingers like this, and if all the four fingers should come and press your particular palm area, and then the thumb should press on it for a gentle motion, and you release, press, release, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. What is the impact? Anybody can ask. I will tell you. This is your, since it is left hand, right hand and left hand, slightly it will get changed. Since it is right hand, this is your adrenal gland. Here it is situated. This point where this finger and will press, this will constitute your triple energizer, large intestine, and kidney point. Okay, these are the three four parts are there, and here eyes also it will press. Eye point, important point. This will come and press your pancreas gland. Pancreas gland is situated here. Okay, it will come and press pancreas gland. This will press your heart point. Heart is situated on your left hand here. Okay, these are the properties. And this here, this same adrenal gland, and this same, as I told, kidney, triple energizer, and here eyes also, and here a triple energizer, large intestine, small intestine, and this one, what is it, solar plexus. And this will press your, as I told, pancreas gland, and this will press your liver. Here the point is liver, here the point is heart. So just press, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. This adrenal gland, nobody, so many people will not understand what is adrenal gland, why we should press adrenal gland. Adrenal gland will situated in brain, and it will improve your braveness, courage. It gives courage. Whatever you are going to do, the person who doesn't have 10 rupees in his pocket, he will be brave. The person who is having 10 lakhs in his pocket, he will not be brave, because his adrenal gland is weakened. But the person, first instant person, will be, his adrenal gland will be improved, so he will be more energized and more this one courage to face the problems, how to solve it. But the person is having huge money, cannot, does not solve his problems, because his adrenal gland is weakened. So all these points will reduce your diabetic problem. Okay, and higher hypertension, and low BP or low sugar, everything will be solved. And so if you keep pressing this technique, if you implement this one, it is a wonderful technique, you can use it. So if you are unable to press this one, so just you pause, just you purchase online. This is a spring acupressure, okay, machine, handling, hand using this one, okay, set. So if you start pressing like this on different parts of your palm, okay, it will improve energy, immunity, and metabolism, and your this one appetite, and also blood circulation. Cardiovascular system is mainly on circulating your blood from the heart. So cardiovascular means even lungs are also the part of cardiovascular. So it will improve lung power, heart power, and digestive power. Appetite will be improved, and once all this improved, your all the organs will be functioning normally. This is sinus point, as I told, it will improve your brain power and sinus problems, nose related problems, it will improve. So this is the second technique. So if the persons who are unable to, you see how the pressing is there slowly, how it is massaging. Okay, so if unable to purchase this one, they can do like this. If the person is able to purchase, they can do like this. Okay, any other way, any way you can get the benefit by doing simple exercise. Please implement this one. Be healthy, make our nation healthy. Thank you.